Live from the floor of the NYSE, that's a market open.
Hello, thank you for watching the video. This is the 16th week already in the project, and we could achieve positive results in this week, which was nice after a bit of a slow period before. We're trading the Emini S&P 500 futures market. For YouTube purposes, this is simulated trading, but I do some real money trading in the background here as well. Same positions, but different lot size. The approach is very similar. We look for areas of support and resistance, and we also look at the breakout levels, as I said before. You can see on the chart here, the breakout level is the blue trend line. So these are the point of support and resistance. If we break through such areas, we normally would like to follow the trend towards the breakout, and then we will trade this for 3 times the ATR. This is a basic strategy, and I'm just talking about this for educational purposes. I think that is very interesting, because at these points we see a lot of volume coming into the market, which is generating opportunity for us day traders. And I have been talking about this over and over again for the last 16 weeks roughly. In the beginning it was a bit different, a bit more profit target, but I wanted to give you the real information, or the exact information. So 3 times the ATR normally ranges from 225 points up to 5 points, I would say. So our daily target is also around 5 points. In this case, you can see that the support was approached. We broke through this level, but the market reversed. So from here, normally we should be not really trading. We should not be considering this position here anymore as a valid breakout, because we already made our breakout and then we reversed back into range with more volume. So you can see many of these break-even trades. Like usual, we have around 50% of break-even trades. This is if we run positive for a short distance, we want to pull our stop to break even. It's very important just to make sure we don't run negative out of a positive beginning of a trade. But you can see here, this was obviously something which is unpredictable. The same thing here, break even. So this is the second approach to the trend line. A good opportunity as well to trade short. We could realize some profits. $719. This is around 3% of total account value. We trade a $30,000 account just for demonstration here for YouTube, because this is something which a normal trader can trade, and it can generate a good income, additional income, if that is looked on a monthly basis. We can achieve 10% per month, but depends on our trade performance. So here we see a very nice and clean second breakout. No reversal back into range, and we could trade this for 3 times the ATR of the first few bars, and it was roughly 1 point, so 3 points for the breakout trade. And then we should be looking at new opportunities again. But it seems the market is pushing way further down, so it was a nice trade. But let's play forward so we don't have to watch all of this in one go. Let's see if we made a few more trades here on this day, and then we can talk about those. So here also the green lines are my target areas. That is not very obvious at this point. Anyway, never mind, it's too complicated. Okay, so here we have another long trade. Could be interesting. The target is only 34.75, 1.5 points, which is $375. And we hit the price only once, and that means that we are normally not filled because there are other people in the market as well. And if a price is just barely touched for us retail traders, we would normally not be filled if a price is just approached one time. We have to break through at least a tick to be filled on these prices. It happens from time to time, but I would say 90% of the time, if we just hit a price, we are not filled. But it was a good target area, it was a good trade, a long trade. By the way, this is the 13th of September 2016. That is visible here in the data box to the left top side, as well as some other information, such as the average 2 range. You can observe that here 0.93, and then the volume. So again, a nice target area, but I didn't trade this one. This was the breakout out of the opening range. So the opening range is decided from, let me just show you, from 9:30 to 10:30. And the low of that range is the green bar with a tip at 30s, 2,130. And if we break through this level, which we did, we want to achieve around 3 times the ATR of the first bar or the first few bars of the session. But normally the first bar, the ATR was roughly 0.9. So we look at a target of around 2.5 points from that level. So from 2,130 to 2,127.50. And we hit that price, but I didn't trade it. I should have normally. That's the things I'm talking about. These trading mistakes, they just drag down profits. If we would have been trading all of the trades which we missed here in the past, according to this strategy, would have been very, very positive in this account. But this is all comes down to trading psychology, execution, professionalism. You have to be absolutely stringent on your execution. That is the most important thing in trading. Anyway, let's keep going. I think I missed Friday because of some recording issues, and my market data seem to be not really integrating here in this program, but we'll figure that out very soon as well. So this is the opening trade on this 15th of September 2016. Let me just double check because of the dates here. The 15th already Thursday, so we missed actually one trading day. Completely, and Friday we will probably miss as well. But never mind, that was nice. Yeah, I just exited there because I was surprised also. This was I will show you one more time here. So this was the target area, the green line, and I draw that already here. And we immediately reversed from the open to the target area, making 5 points. Absolutely brilliant. And then the market even reverses exactly off of that green level. So that happens from time to time, that we are so accurate on our execution. It's not always the case, but today it happened, and I'm so proud of it. Great. But then again, we have one losing trade here, which will come up, because I was anticipating this breakout, and the breakout will actually appear, but we made our daily target 1,250 already. That means we should stop trading for this day. But you can see the market is pushing higher again from this level. And the breakout level is here, the green line. We should be pushing through this at some point. But the reversal was rather strong, and I got worried we will push further up. But that was very early execution on my side again to exit this trade, because it seems that we really want to push through this green line again, which is the breakout level at this point. So it was a good call, green line. We hit that price, we didn't break through it, so a reversal back into range. I think that's it almost for this week. We did only 2 or 3 trades, but these were good trades. I'm very happy with the result. I think that is around $1,500 profit in this week, 1,250. But I want to show you one more last thing. So this is the breakout level again, high off pre-opening range, 31.50. So here at this point, I will show you, this would be an excellent entry point, around 28, not 29 in this case, because we seem to have volume coming into the market that is visible on the last green bar at 10:05. Volume indicator, by the way, is in the bottom of the chart. You can see here 22,000 in volume. It is increasing volume, so therefore we anticipate a continuation in this case, and exactly that will happen. So we see more volume coming, and we want to break through this level. Now we have either 2 options. One is to continue to the green trend line, which is our target area according to the ATR rules, and one is a reversal back into range. So we break through, as I was drawing here, and then we reverse back into range, and we go for a second approach to the target area. If we reverse back into range, volume is very important, and we have to consider the volume indicator. If we see more volume pushing back into range, we normally should reverse our positions again. But if we stay above the breakout line, which is 31.50, we should continue with this breakout trade. Very nice. All right, so that's it for this week, and the breakout was clean and neat. We reversed to this blue line one more time. However, we don't see increased volume within the breakout range. We just barely touched this level, so that is not counted as a reversal back into range. And then we see a clean breakthrough of our target area. So another 5 points here on this trade and I didn't take it again. So the same thing, we missed quite a few opportunities, 2 opportunities, and those are the mistakes we should avoid. Anyway, this was a good week. I believe it was around $1,250 positive, and I will put that and log that into our performance. Now I will briefly show you the performance of the last 1 month. That is visible here. Total net profit is 2,537. This is around 8%, 8 to 9% of total account, $30,000, which is a very good result, I believe. In the first few weeks, we made also profitable trades. So we are in total up on the account, I would say roughly 10 to 12.5% in the first 16 weeks. It's not great because we missed a lot of opportunities, as I said, and we made those the opening strategy was rather difficult. We could accumulate $10,000, which is 30% only on the intraday strategy in the first 1 month. And the same was a negative result in our opening strategy. So we have to make some adjustments here along the way. But we are positive, which is a good result, well on our way to make a 50% profit here very soon. That's my target, I think. To double up an account per year is definitely achievable, but I would aim for 50% for now. That's a good result if we can achieve that. Okay, let's go through some of these figures here. So we see gross profit. Long trades, short trades. Short trades seem to be giving more profits. Then we have profit factor also on the short trades is better, as well as the ratios here. Then max drawdown, we have 2,167. Same as the profit. Total number of trades, 69 roughly. So we do around 5 trades per day. But I would say we do roughly 3 trades per day. 5 is a bit too much. 3 to 5 trades. Still the same thing, losing trades we have 48 and winning trades only 21. But that seems to be accounted for a bit differently with our break-even trades. The break-even trade at the moment seems to be falling under the losing trades category, which is not accurate. Largest winning trade is a nice trade, 1,900, also a short trade. And then we have losing trades here, actually not so significant. It's a very good sign that our winning trades exceed our largest losing trades, which is very nice. Here you see average trades per day, 5.5. Average time in the market, 12 minutes. Profit per month, 4,300. I don't know where this figure comes from. We should look at the net profit rather. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so far so good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this session. It was short. Let's continue to next week. And then we can see. So here you see 31,652 as the profit, but this is not accurate. We should rather look at the trade results. There's something with the connection here. But anyway, I will blend this in and then we can follow. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you a happy weekend, happy trading. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.